Welcome back to another video, guys. So today I'm just going to give these a quick base coat. So I'm doing another Valentine's set, but this is going to be a kind of 50 Shades inspired set. Again, this is one of those sets that I've seen loads of last year, and this time last year I had literally just started my channel, so there's loads of sets that I didn't get to do, and I wasn't good enough back then. Yeah, there's loads of sets that I've seen last year and just really wanted to give it a go. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Kind of 50 Shades inspired, kind of. So I'm just going to give these a quick base coat, cure this in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then we'll get on with it. Right, just while they're curing in the lamp, I'll quickly show you the colours. I'm going to need a black gel paint, so I'm using my GD Cocoa one. I'm going to need a red. I'm using Yogi, and it's 001, and it's from Yogi's Red Rose series, and it's a bright red, proper red. So that's pretty much the colours I'm going to be using, really. And I'm also going to be needing a transfer foil. Let me open this. So this is called Black Fishnet. It's from Charlie's Nail Art. She's got so many of these foils in at the minute, you know, like netting and lacy. So this one's Black Fishnet. She's got this in white as well, so it's literally exactly what it says on the tin. It's Black Fishnet. Cute. So we're going to be using that, and that's pretty much it, really, I think, products wise. I forgot to say I'm going to need a black, although I'm using this black gel paint, I'm going to need a black gel polish as well. So I'm using Model 1's black gel polish. So I'm just going to get some colour on these nails. Right, I'm just going to get them cured for 30 seconds. Right, I'm just giving these a quick matte top coat. Right guys, now that's them out the lamp, I'm going to use a really thin brush. Can you see these two rings I've got down here on my kitchen roll? I want to do like the leather straps with the rings, so I'm going to just paint. I'm going to paint it on in gel polish first, and I'm going to put the rings into the gel polish. But I want the gel polish, the straps that I'm doing, I want them to kind of look like they're wrapped around these rings. So I'm going to do it under it, put the rings on top, and then do it over it as well. I think this brush is a bit too thin, actually. I'm going to use a thicker one. I'm going to use my black gel paint. Let's move these little rings out of the way for now. I think I'll start with this one, actually. Right, now what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to put one of these little rings into this wet gel paint and see if I can cure it in place, or just hold it in place slightly. Yeah, it's just touching the gel polish. I'm going to cure it like that, and then I want to put the gel polish over the top of this ring as well to make it look like the black straps wrapped around it. So I'm going to cure it in the lamp like that for 30 seconds, and then we'll try and make it look like it's some sort of strap. Right, now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to use a little, this is just a little tiny brush. And I just want to make it look like this black strap is like connected to this ring. You know what I mean, guys. You've all worn strap-ons like this. You know exactly how they work. Right guys, that's them cured. I want to keep them straps shiny and I want to put some little metal studs into them straps. I'm going to use these little silver caviar beads. So what I'm going to do with these straps is I've put some top coat on my palette. I'm going to go over these straps with a glossy top coat so I can keep them shiny. And at the same time I'm just going to stick these little caviar beads into this glossy top coat. Right guys, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds and I'm going to do exactly the same on this one. I'll do it off camera. I quite like it. Right guys, that's them 2 red nails done. Now, do you want to see a magic trick? Guys, do you want to see a magic trick? You ready? Ta-da! I don't know what I was thinking doing them nails black, but I've had to switch them out for red. I don't know what made me think I need them nails black. Because I showed you in the beginning I had every intention of putting them over the red nails, so yeah, I couldn't put that over that. Don't know what I was thinking. Right, now I'm going to give these red nails a coat of my Macaw nail foil glue because I want to put these foils on. This foil glue cures in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Right, let's get this netting on. Start with the pink here. Now, do I want it going that way? Yeah, this way. We want it long ways, don't we? So I'm literally just going to plonk it on the nail. Let me get my silicone tool. Just going to use my silicone tool to rub it in. Look at that. I love it. So cool. Right, and this one as well. But I see you need something else than what you want. I wish you could see yourself just like I do. Right, those little tiny bits that I've missed there, can you see, are going to really bug me, so I'm going to use my teeny weeny little detailer brush. And I'm just going to fill them in. Right guys, I've just filled them little gaps in with a bit of gel polish. Right, what I'm going to do is I am going to attempt to do my first ever cluster of gems. Never done one before. So how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put a little blob of polygel on this nail. Oh, that's too much. I don't want that much. Come on, get off. Like that. This is how I've seen the professionals doing it. Then I'm going to go over that polygel with top coat to finish this nail off. That way I won't have to top coat around the cluster. Just push that up a bit. Right, let's see what we can create. Right, here goes. I've pulled out a few things to use, but I'll show you what I've pulled out to use, shall I? Right, this is what I've pulled out to use. I don't know if I'm going to use this full pearl or a half a pearl. There's a rose, some gems, embellishments. I'm just going to go with the flow here and see what I can do. Right, so I want it all to be based around this rose. I want this rose to kind of be the kind of centerpiece. So I'm going to put that there. Let's see what this full size pearl will look like first. Yeah, let's leave that on for now. Might look alright. If it's too big, I'll take it off. Let's put a big gem there. Medium sized gem there. And I'm just going to fill some gaps now with these little gems. I might put some caviar beads in to fill some gaps. I have never done a cluster before. Right, should we get some caviar beads on that as well? Fill some gaps. Right, let's fill some of these little gaps with some of these beads. I have never ever done a cluster before. And you know something, I quite like the look of this. It doesn't look too bad. I'm not too sure about that pearl. I might swap, oh I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it actually. Or swap it for the half a pearl. I don't know whether to swap it for the half a pearl or not. Do you know something? I'm going to leave it like it is. I'm going to leave it like it is. Right, what do you think, guys, for my first ever cluster? Never done one of them before. I quite like it. Right, I'm going to get... Oh, I need to top coat this other one, don't I? Right, let's get this pinky top coated. And that'll be then finished. I'm going to leave that pinky plain. I don't know whether to put this rose on or not. Do you think that might spoil it? Yeah, because it's gold, it'll spoil it. Right, I'm going to get them into cure and that'll be then finished. Right, guys, there we go. What do you think? Do you know something? I'm really proud of my little gem cluster. I've cured that for 2 minutes just because I wanted to make sure the polygel cured underneath. But yeah, I'm really, really happy with them. The only thing is, I wish I had a black rose. You can't really see the... I'm being picky, aren't I? No, I really like them. I really like them. Anyway, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the video and you like these, and you would wear them, remember to give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would love for you to subscribe. Hit that little bell as well so you never miss an upload. And hopefully I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.